Alrighty, guys. Welcome to a promo of Digital Bites. As you can see, we're definitely in a different place. It's actually my den, and I'm thinking that this might be the new spot to actually start doing our podcasts. I bought these arms and stuff, and these seats just kind of like
arms.
these seats finally look like it fit in, and plus I can add another one here
Exactly.
as well. So we have a 3-man, including Derek on the controls here. So yeah, man. I feel like with that said, more podcasts should be coming in the way. We got cameras now.
Cameras, man.
So they can catch the way we.
Shout out to Derek, man.
Yeah, shout out to Derek, man.
He's
Thanks,
like
D.
half cyborg. He just knows all this stuff.
I want to be like, what's his name? Was it Soldier Boy? He's like, what?
Yeah.
Who?
No, but this is awesome setup.
And but yeah, it's awesome setup with these GoPros, and so
don't even gotta hold our mics. That's how you know it's professional.
Oh yeah, I mean,
yeah.
$15 goes a long
There you go.
way.
Yeah, it does. It does.
And yeah, I mean, we got a TV here as well, and so I think we'll be showing content there, for things to talk about. I feel like that might be a nice
That's gonna be cool
little thing, man. But yeah, I got David here, man. What's up, man?
Yeah.
How you doing?
I've been good, man. Just living life, working and raising a kid, and dealing with the house. They didn't tell me houses were that much problems, but yeah.
Sounds like a dream.
Yeah, it's the American dream, I guess.
I was just repping Tipsy podcast, Tipsy Texan podcast.
Oh, you were hearing it?
Yeah, I didn't hear it, but not the latest episode. But I was actually having a conversation with a few guys this morning, and with Cody. I don't know if you know
Cody Olivares. Yeah.
And another guys that
we're
was
throwing last names. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's not gonna go on.
The docs.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, I didn't know you wanted to be anonymous.
It's a good thing he's not going up.
And no, this is going.
Oh, okay. we're actually live. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
And yeah, and so I was and I told him about that, and he didn't know. Well, he didn't know that you guys tried brews and stuff.
Oh yeah.
And so, and I was like, yeah, man, they talk about the brews that they try and all this stuff, and
yeah. Don't expect it's not like professional reviews, but I mean, it's fun.
What are you talking about? I saw you guys like on SNL.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We try to stay humble. We try to stay humble with it. But we got sponsored by Doritos.
Nice. Yeah, man, definitely would be cool to have. I totally forgot his name right now.
Danny.
Danny, yeah,
Danny
here, because I know that Danny. I've been trying to get on his as well. So
yeah, it really was Danny. Danny just like set up. We're talking about it. We're like, yeah, we want to redo the room, and Danny always goes out and like finds like all these deals on Facebook Market and stuff like that. Like we had the poker table in the room, but he got like the mics, like nice blue mics, and like. It looks legit now, and now that I say I do cameras, like it'd probably be good for our podcast too, to show the beer and stuff like that.
Yeah,
it's a good idea. It totally makes a difference.
And the thing is that you guys have that round table, so you can actually put the cameras like probably like under you guys, and so they show like that upward feature. And of course, you guys just switch through there. Yeah, and it's like it's a smaller room than this, but probably with one camera you like get the whole group. That too, man. That too.
All right, and then some other ones for close.
I would say it's whatever budget, right?
Yeah.
Can buy.
so Derek, they're all quiet.
I know, man. So now we got Derek on the controls, man. So he has a full screen with him, and he's gonna be our audio engineer too, as our video engineer. So he's working double time this time.
Yeah, I'm trying to right now. Like this is infant stages. It's even something me and Freddie have been talking about doing for a long time, like getting camera set up and getting a like studio type thing. I think we threw different ideas over the few months, like my garage. My garage is always a mess, but Freddie managed to. Did some awesome, like redid his entire like living room as like a studio type thing. It's pretty nice, and I wish you could get like a bigger, like a wide angle view so you can see this thing. But it's like the manliest like little study type thing. Like we need some drinks, like
Yeah, we got drinks.
Yeah, we do actually.
I can't see it, but
oh yeah, there you go, right there. See,
it's a whole thing of drinks.
Yeah.
We'll finish all that.
Yeah, it'll be done by the end of the
Of
night.
course, for balance too. We've got to have the literature here as well.
Literature.
Yeah, keep it real. Keep it balanced.
No, but seriously, like looking at Derek, man, this dude is like on a spaceship right now. Like he got everything. I would say.
Yeah, I'm loving this display, this widescreen display. This is bigger to have at home, because at home I got like two monitors. One for like it's like a 24-inch for my computer, and then I got like another 24 for strictly for gaming. But this is like, you say got 33?
No, this is a 38.
38, my bad. Woo. Ooh. Okay, yeah, 38.
Yeah,
this is like, I'm seeing everything. So like, yeah, I'm gonna cop one of these days.
Yeah, I mean, Digital Bytes must be paying good. I mean, you got a nice setup, man.
Got that government check.
No, definitely, man. I mean, thanks, Derek, for the GoPros and the video, man. And I mean, you got all these cool little gadgets, dude. That I mean, all put together, dude. It makes this happen.
It does.
So it's rad, dude.
It's great. We're looking forward to sharing this experience with you guys. Yeah.
No, for sure, man. And I think now that we got a stable place, we used to do it at Ron's all the time, but now, of course, things have changed. And it's just a lot of movement. I was getting kind of tired of just bringing everything and then having to set up here. Since this is basically what we're going to do, I don't have to really do much here.
Yeah.
I think if anything, Derek, you just bring your cameras in and bam, we're set to go. And minimal setup, which means that we can get quicker to what we need to do.
Exactly.
Right. And because most of the time, every time we kind of set up a podcast, it ends up being kind of like a whole event.
Yeah.
Which I don't mind. But sometimes,
sometimes it can kill the enthusiasm. Like kind of waiting around.
Yeah, waiting around.
Not a lot, but I'm saying like just like
that, and also I think we have things to do, and we can't stay too late.
Yeah.
And not if we were all single back in the day, of course, endless hours, but we got responsibilities.
Yeah.
I mean, I got responsibilities with my dogs. I know you guys got a family.
Yeah.
As much as responsibilities I got, but even then, I'm mindful of everybody's time.
Yeah.
Right. And I want to make sure that, this is a quick setup, go in and go out. Yeah. And have some drinks, have some talks. There is another portion I want to do. I don't think this is really going to be between videos. I think the digital podcast will be video and audio, but I want to do another one called like Stories from the Den or Tales from the Den.
Oh, snap.
Where it's just going to be a one-on-one, of course, audio conversation of, different things. Yeah, different things. I got some things.
Yeah.
And just invite some people over and just have quick chat.
Yeah, that's good. That's what I mean. Sounds interesting.
Yeah, so definitely want to try some stuff, man. But I like that this whole liquor cabinet is paying off because it needs to be used.
Yeah, it needs to be used.
I like enjoying my my whiskey, but I'm like an everyday whiskey guy. Like I'm more of a social drinker, so this stays here. For a good while. If nobody touches it.
Yeah.
So to help me drink this stuff.
Oh yeah.
I got some rum chata though. I mean,
I see that. Yeah, I see that. I mean, I see that whiskey. We're gonna have to get you a new bottle now.
No worries, man. I'll just keep replenishing the stock. It's cool, man. It's cool. But yeah, man. So stay tuned. For sure.
Sure.
Well, what's neat is that we're gonna do a video, and I'm gonna do the Derek's gonna pass me the audio, so I can put it on the normal, Spotify.
Oh, okay.
So we'll actually be using the channel more now, the Digital Bytes channel
on Spotify.
No, on YouTube.
On YouTube. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, wait for the video upload. Yeah.
So, because I know that's been dormant for a very long time.
Yeah.
Besides the 1 or 2 or 3 videos we've done.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing's like 2 or 3 videos, and I think it's like mostly gaming stuff. But we never put. I think we maybe back when like COVID started, we did some of like the Zooms.
Right.
Oh, okay.
We uploaded some of the Zooms, but we never did like a full on like this before.
Yeah. Well, I know Derek. When you stream, was that on the Digital Bytes or was that your own thing? Oh, that was on Twitch, right?
Yeah, that was my own channel on Twitch. I never recorded any of that stuff, but I kind of gave up on streaming a long time ago. It's too much effort, but yeah.
Yeah.
That was cool.
I try to stream, but it's a lot, and I'm just like, what, never mind.
You get paid more on Digital Bytes, so
you get paid in shots. Yeah. That's all I can give you guys.
It's something more than Twitch.
Yeah, that's true, man. Well, anyways, man, I think we got this promo going. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys. Mr. Thank you, David.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you guys.
And,
Derek, D-Man.
D-Man right here, man.
See you guys next time.
All right.
Later.
MVP.